Rolling है. Hi everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video. You guys have seen me doing a lot of outfits from scratch, but today we're going to be making outfits from scratch for each other for Diwali. So basically, Aditya ने कभी भी outfit from scratch बनाया नहीं. You've been a part of it where I've made it for you.
I've been a part in the back end. मतलब I've gone with her and all of that. But
You've never come with me.
once I've come.
Never you've come
I've
with
come
me.
once.
When?
तू मैं और कशिश गए थे एक बार.
अपने हल्दी के आउटफिट
हाँ
के लिए.
हल्दी के आउटफिट के लिए. So
ठीक,
that's the only
okay.
time I've come.
Yeah.
But I don't know anything about the process कि क्या करने का कैसे करने का. So you'll have to थोड़ा सा help me in that aspect.
Okay, but I'm really excited. This is our
Yeah.
first Diwali after we've gotten married, and we are going all out. Usually, obviously, Diwali के लिए anyway you wear heavy clothes, but this time,
It's gonna be lavish.
exactly, like एकदम ही heavy outfits. हम लोग almost शादी vibe के outfits बनाने का सोच रहे हैं. So. Yeah, I guess let's get started with today's video. So before we go and buy our clothes, we're gonna quickly do a small interview session.
Yes, like a Q&A to
Correct.
see what we have in mind.
Yeah,
But we're not gonna tell each other.
correct. So I'm gonna go first.
ठीक है. I'll go.
Please leave the room. Okay, I'm ready. So I love anything loose. Like oversized is what I love, and I think that is what I'm gonna be trying to kind of incorporate in his Diwali outfit for this year. ऐसा कुछ favorite color नहीं है, but I think black obviously looks really nice, but of course can't go with black because it's Diwali. So I'm probably gonna be sticking to pastels. I feel like any color that looks good on me looks good on him also because we have a very similar skin tone. So yeah, I would say like pastels or black. I think he's gonna go for a traditional look because वो बार बार fixates on saris. So I have a feeling that it's going to be a sari. I mean, I guess because आदित्य का western outfit में as such कुछ ऐसा style, specific style नहीं है because he just wears kurtas and pajamas. So this is a classic look that I'm going for. So I don't know, timeless. I think it's gonna be very timeless. Like I feel like this is the kind of outfit that he's going to be able to wear maybe to a wedding. Maybe he's going to be able to wear it like even 10 years down the line if it continues to fit him. So basically my inspiration was Hardik Pandya behind this outfit. I have a big crush on Hardik Pandya and the way he dresses and how his hair is and all of that. So I saw this one image of him wearing an Indian outfit wherein he was wearing like a very loose kurta, loose pants and then a nice well-fitted blazer jacket of sorts. वो black color में उसने पहना था, but obviously I can't do black. So I'm gonna be seeing what fabrics I find and then go off of that. But yeah, my outfit inspiration was, I guess, Hardik Pandya.
घाघरोनी चोली. So I really like saris on Mridul, but I know कि अब भी just काफी events में saris की है, so थोड़ा अलग मैं सोच रहा हूँ. अलग मतलब I don't know a lot of types. I know there is anarkalis or like suits or लहंगा चोली, घाघरा चोली, whatever it is. I am not really sure, but I think लहंगा type में सोच रहा हूँ कुछ करने का. I think मृदुल पे काफी कलर्स अच्छे लगते हैं. White तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, but again white being very basic, अब भी just white वापस से किया है. So I think थोड़ा मे बी पेस्टल शेड में कोई उसको अच्छा लग सकता है. सो पेस्टल आई एम थिंकिंग. आई थिंक शी विल ऐड अ मॉडर्न ट्विस्ट. उसको थोड़ा एकदम टिपिकल ट्रेडिशनल तो नहीं करेगी वो, कुछ तो उसमें मॉडर्न ऐड करेगी वो. आई थिंक सो. मतलब अभी लहंगे में क्या ही और स्टाइल रिफ्लेक्ट करना है, मतलब अभी वो तो मुझे देखना है कि क्या मिल रहा है, क्या टाइप का मैं डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ. बट आई थिंक इट शुड आइडियली, आई मीन आई होप इट डज. आई थिंक द वर्ड आई एम लुकिंग फॉर इज mesmerizing, because after Mridul wears that I'll be mesmerized by her beauty and her looks. So that's my word. So I'm thinking of making like a ghagra choli, kind of like a lehenga proper. Inspiration I would say काफी सारे Pinterest पे गया मैंने, तो मैंने काफी फोटोज देखे अनन्या पांडे, कियारा अडवाणी, तो उनका कुछ तो एक मिक्स एंड मैच करके कुछ तो सोच रहा हूँ करने को. શું ઘાઘરોની ચોલી જોઈએ છે.
We've made it to Ellie Perry. Aditya, first time in Ellie Perry. Even after so many years of me making outfit from scratch, Aditya का first time है that he's joining me and he's clueless deer in front of headlights. So there are two ways to go about it. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ouch, there are all white कपड़ास. ठीक है, so you can dye them to whatever color you want, or you just pick up whatever ready-made thing that you want, match it with something else, and then you buy it. Aditya is still staring into his phone.
कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है मुझे.
तुझे कुछ नहीं समझना, तुझे सिर्फ एक कपड़ा चूज करना है जो तुझे अच्छा लग रहा है and then we can go from there. I think you're stressing too much. No, just pick a कपड़ा that you like. Whatever you want.
वो किस पे जाने वाला है तो वो समझे ना.
Diwali collection here is really good. Like बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I really like this one.
Yeah, I like that too.
Are you gonna take the same kapda as me?
Yeah, I saw it first.
Yeah, I mean it would be nice to match, but I can imagine this being a kurta. Even though I had said that I don't want you to wear a kurta, but I think iska kurta would look so like
Yeah.
rich. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I really like this on me. Like love the color. Shouldn't I be seeing it on you?
No, this is for you.
No, but I'm not designing my own outfit. Come here.
No, but I like this for your outfit.
ठीक है, जरा but we can get the same kapda. That's fine. I think it looks really nice.
I don't really like it.
But too bad, I'm the one who's designing it. You're not able to imagine it. I think it looks great. Looks so nice.
So वो पिंक वाला ही most likely final करेंगे.
That was quick.
I am not really able to imagine how that's going to look. But मुझे तो वो पसंद है for you. I don't know for me कैसा लगेगा.
It's gonna look great. I don't think you really wear pink. It's not pink. It's like,
it's like very light,
pink
yeah.
peach. I think it'll look great and it looks so nice on both of our skin tones.
Yeah, that's true. It looks good. But तेरे लिए तो मैं पक्का हूँ कि वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. मेरे लिए.
Bro, but the collection here is really good. In case you guys want to come here, especially for Diwali, I feel like they've really amped it up. Anyway, you guys know this is the place that I come to always. But even now it looks... So, we're confused between this one and this one. But then ये वाला, I feel like इसका अगर तूने लहंगा बनाया, then it will basically become my शादी का लहंगा.
Yeah.
It's like
Very similar to that.
So I feel like we should go for this one. It's also cheaper. Not
Cheaper
cheap.
secondary, but
It's for 2,450 or something around that. I really wish कि there were no people to help here in the sense so that Aditya would have to like Aditya is just standing here waiting. He's here with your kapda.
because I have no idea क्या चल रहा है, क्या ले रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे
I told you that the guy is designing my outfit rather than Aditya designing
हैं.
it.
I'm picking ना ultimately उसको options
He's giving you two options and telling you which is better and then you pick that better one. Basically Aditya's entire outfit is being made by the guy who's helping us. He's running around everywhere trying to find a matching kapda. मिल गया?
मस्त.
Just like that we are done. I mean,
Yes.
I feel like main thing is to get the lace and all of that.
हाँ वो बोले ना बाहर नीचे जो शॉप्स
नीचे
है.
मिल जाएगा, but that is where you can actually be super creative
Okay.
and do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
तो options देखते समझ में आएगा. It's like a candy store. So many options basically and it's so well organized. ये light नहीं अलग है. Same light. देखते ये दो लेस ऑप्शन है. तू तेरा बता तू कौन सा पिक कर रहा है वरना तू मेरा कॉपी करेगा. The one that I'm picking. Yeah, actually this is the one that I also wanted.
For your outfit, I think this is better. मेरे लिए रुचि तो ये थोड़ा ले सकती है.
I will decide what I want for my outfit, please. Why does this look very familiar? Aditya's picked this. Why does it look so familiar?
I don't know. Seen it somewhere. I don't know.
It was in my lehenga. My wedding lehenga.
थोड़ा हो जाता है.
He's literally picked very similar one.
हाँ मतलब वही है सर.
I like it though.
What I know, I'm sticking to that.
It happened by fluke. It wasn't planned. We're done. But it's raining. It's pouring. And we have no chhatri.
We have a chhatri in the car.
Oh wow, love it. Finally back in the car. हम भाग क्या है?
Like crazy.
Yeah, it really is so bad. But I think we're done.
Yeah.
Successful, I would say. I'm pretty happy with what I've gotten. And
I'll get to know
Aditya's...
once the thing is made.
No, I'm saying Aditya's basically just copied everything that I've bought. So he's playing it safe.
Yeah.
But it works out in my favor because we're getting a matching outfit.
Exactly. We'll get a matching outfit. That's my thought process. Okay.
So कुछ नहीं, अब हम जाएंगे टेलर के पास and we'll get it staged and then we'll see you then. Okay, so the day is here and here I have Aditya's outfit. It looks so beautiful. I love it. I feel like I could also totally style this and wear it at some point, but it looks so pretty. The only thing that I'm worried about is the fit, because trials nahi hua hai. So I don't know how it's gonna fit him. I'm hoping that it should be fine.
So this is how Mridul's outfit has turned out. I really do like it. I think it's going to look really pretty on her. I can't wait for her to try this out.
Okay, moment of truth. Are you happy with the way our outfit has turned out?
I'm very
I can see a little bit of it. I mean, हमारा कपड़ा same है, so it essentially looks the same.
Yes.
But are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, lehenga. Look at your thing.
Hi.
Looks so dapper,
Yeah,
right?
it looks really nice. It looks a little like वो संगीत में मैंने पहना था ना.
Exactly. मैं वही सोच रही थी कि किसके जैसा दिख रहा है. I feel like Atta's worn something like this. He's actually
Yes.
worn basically the same thing now that I think of it. My outfit is practically the same. इसके साथ there's a loose top, loose pants.
हाँ.
Oh
देखो,
shit!
लाल पीली अक्की.
I'm not originally. आदित्य already पहन चुका है पहले.
मैंने तो लहंगा बना है भाई. लहंगा तो तूने कितने बार पहना? It's fine.
It's so beautiful. I think it looks so nice on my skin
I
tone.
think even this one will look really good on me.
I'm glad that we went and bought the same kapda.
Yeah.
So it's like proper matchy. मुझे इसका top देखना है. Should I just try it out and we'll give you the big reveal then? And that's what our outfits look like. Tell us what you guys thought about it. But what did you think about the outfit that I've stitched for you?
So I really like the outfit. It looked good on me
Yeah.
even during the Sangeet. Like this type of outfit and अभी भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So I really like it.
You know, actually, I feel like this was a very subconscious decision in the sense that my favorite outfit on you in the wedding was your Sangeet
Sangeet
outfit.
yeah.
Of course, wedding outfit was also great, but wedding outfit is alag. But I'm saying that
बाकी functions में
yeah, your Sangeet outfit was so good, and subconsciously I've basically made the same thing in a different color.
But it's really pretty. I can use it for other occasions as well.
Yeah, you
बहुत
totally
अच्छा.
can. So, how much would you rate it out of 10?
I would give it a 9 on 10.
Oh.
What did you think of your outfit?
So I think you killed it, number one, for someone who made an outfit from scratch for the first time. I think it looks timeless. Like it's a classic piece. Like I feel like I can wear this to anything, you know, like the color is so beautiful. It's such a demure color. But color का credit मेरे पे जाता है because ये कपड़ा मैंने चुना है. But the neckline, the blouse का पूरा, you know, it's so like sober and sweet. So I would also rate your outfit 9 out of 10. But if you could change one thing about the outfit that I've stitched for you, what would it be?
It's really difficult. I think almost सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I don't think I would change anything. I think it's really nice. कुछ
Yeah.
ऐसा मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है कि कुछ change हो जाए. हाँ, maybe ऐसे टाइप का दूसरे कलर में ये करे because pastels not really my kind
No,
of.
but it looks
looks
great
good,
on
but
you.
मतलब मेरा ऐसा ये नहीं favorites में नहीं आता है. So maybe
क्या कलर में बनाता तू अगर बनाता तो?
जो संगीत में पहना था वो टाइप का लाइक सिल्वर और लाइक अ ब्लैक.
दिवाली में colourful
दिवाली में
पहना था.
मालूम है मुझे, बट इन जनरल अगर दिवाली नहीं होता तो थोड़ा अलग कलर का कुछ ऐसा ब्लैक गोल्ड सिल्वर वो टाइप कुछ तो.
Black, gold, silver.
मतलब वो
Wow. Okay.
What about you?
So for me, I think honestly it's perfect. I don't think I would really change anything other than I feel like the sleeve length. That's not on you,
Yeah.
honestly. I feel like it should have been like longer to give it like even more of like an elegant look. Like I feel like it ends at a very odd length. Like it should have been thoda sa lamba, एकदम ही cute लगता. But I think other than that, I think it's perfect. Fits me really, really well. Surprisingly, no alterations needed.
Yeah.
एकदम perfect fit हुआ.
फिट एकदम अच्छा आया.
With that, we've come towards the end of today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow Mridul on Instagram, follow Mridul and Aditya on Instagram, and we'll see you in our next video.
But happy Diwali.
Oh yeah.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys.